In this video, we're going to discuss on how to create a basic text field using your Windows-based Patmark software for your battery-powered Patmark pin marking unit. To create a basic text field, we're going to select Field 1. Then select Text. Under the input, we're going to type in the information that we would like to mark. Now we can work on the location. We can change the Y and the X axis. In this example, we're going to change our Y to 9 millimeters and our X to 7 millimeters. Now we're going to work with the height. For this example, we're going to use a height of 3.5 millimeter tall characters. Next up is our pitch. Again, the pitch is the spacing in between the characters. We are going to change this to 2.8 to make sure that the information fits on the grid. The width we're going to leave at 60%. This can be changed by you at any time. Then you have the ability to change the angle, the force, and the quality of the mark. Again, the quality is the resolution of the dots. For this example, force is going to be set to 6 and the quality is going to be set to 8. Once all your adjustments are made, now we can start marking. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.